Alright, so I bought this cargo net for the Mazda CX-50 because it's my new grocery getter, and the whole idea is to keep groceries from flopping around in the back. And the Mazda came with a cargo net, but it wasn't really what I was looking for. I needed one of these envelope style, and I got this for 10 bucks on Amazon. Let's go look at the installation. Alright, just got this thing installed, and I had to drill 2 holes in my new car. But that's alright. Let me show you why I did that. So I'm using these little Carabiners that I also bought on Amazon. They're really, really small, but they're strong. They're black, color match, hey? And I used 4 of them, top and bottom. And then on the top up here, they have these little attachment hook things, and it comes with this loop here. But what I did, let me show you, is I drilled a hole through it and just put the carabiner in there so it's good and solid. It's not going anywhere. And I just loop this over for a little extra support. And then I don't know if you can see this down here. Let's go over here to this one. Same thing down here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but these are actually metal clips right here. As you can see, I just clip down there and go through here for a little bit extra tightness. And it just keeps everything good to go here. You know? Put your groceries right in here and keep them from sliding around and stuff. This is the stock net right here. It has a little envelope right here, but I mean, it doesn't do much. It's good for like maybe minimal holding down stuff. It's just not that good. I need something a little bit stronger. And this is going to work out good. It comes with a whole bunch of stick-on crap and plastic carabiner attachment things. Just use steel. It's going to last forever. Good. Problem solved. Gotta love that, huh? All right, thanks for watching. See ya.